Hey, my name is Igor. I'm a language trainer and online business coach. I will show you how my office looks like. Okay, come with me. Come. Here's my equipment that I have. And this is my office. It all fits here in the backpack. And yeah, I'm able to travel around the world, so that's enough. And I have here a laptop with all my businesses here inside, you can say. So here it is. Headset, Electra organizer, power bank, GoPro to make the videos, hard drive to collect everything, so I have a backup, a stative so I can film myself remotely, and a packing safe bag so I can go surfing without having regret that I left my smartphone on the beach. Thanks for watching and see you on the road.